Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today I have another video for you guys talking about the healing properties of essential oils. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and thumbs up this video. I promise it won't hurt. Alright you guys, so I thought I'd bring this video to you guys because essential oils is something that I use in my day to day, and I think a lot of times we don't know how if you guys hear like banging, they're doing construction somewhere. They're always doing construction, so please, if you can bear with me and the hammering noises or whatever it is. They've been doing it for a moment, but whatever, just so you guys know if you hear the noise in the background. So I thought I'd go ahead and I will bring up or talk about the healing properties of essential oils because I use them in my day-to-day. It's more than just an essential oil. They have a lot of healing properties, not only internally, but also for the skin, also for your mood, how you feel. So I just wanted to get in and break down a few of the essential oils that I have in my cabinet currently. I just decided to go with those, grab those, and just kind of go through these essential oils, what they are, what they do for you, and all that fun stuff. If you guys have any questions, of course, about any essential oils, ones that I don't even touch here, go ahead and leave it down below and we'll talk about it. If you have any essential oils that are your favorite, go ahead and leave them down below and we'll talk about it, get a conversation started. So let's go ahead and let's get into this. Essential oil that I want to talk about is lavender oil. A lot of us know about lavender oil. It is something that everybody has heard about. It's nothing new, but this is actually one of my favorite oils, especially to use under my arm. In my underarm natural journey, lavender oil has been my best friend. Okay, so we're going to talk about some benefits of lavender oil. Lavender oil is known to be calming. It's antiseptic. It increases cell growth, which actually speeds up the healing process when it comes to your skin. It decreases the appearance of scars. It's antimicrobial. It helps with acne, burns. It also helps with dry skin, eczema, headaches, and of course we all also know that it helps you when you're sleeping. Okay, the next oil that we're going to talk about is clove oil. Clove oil is something that I don't use as often. I'm still trying to figure out how to incorporate clove oil into my skincare regimen. Clove oil specifically is toothache. Usually if you have a toothache, clove oil is used for that. Also, it's used to help with cough, asthma, stress, skin problems, and antiseptic. Antifungal, is antiviral, and it's an aphrodisiac. Okay, so clove oil is one that I have in my pantry. I haven't used it as often. I've put it into little body butters and things of that sort, but I haven't had a lot of experience when it comes to clove oil. I'm still playing around with that one. The next one we're going to talk about is tea tree oil, and you guys have heard me rant about tea tree oil. It is one of my favorite oils when it comes to skincare, healing up acne, all that fun stuff. So tea tree is antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, acne, works for acne, also helps with congestion and stuffy nose. I've never used tea tree for congestion, but it sounds like something I would try next time. I usually use more so peppermint, but we'll get into that. The next one is rosehip oil, and I have a whole video about rosehip oil and why you need to have it in your skincare regimen. I will leave that video down below. But rosehip oil is known for its anti-aging benefits, hands down. That's about it. It improves skin tone, texture, and pigmentation, and it also helps with scar treatment. But rosehip oil is like the essential oil anti-aging, like top dog, I guess you can say. All right, so the next one will be peppermint oil, another one of my favorites. You guys have known me to talk about peppermint oil. When I first began my underarm journey, peppermint oil was something I used to put underneath my arms. I also put it on my temples when I get a little bit of a headache, or when I'm congested. I also put it like near my nose, on my chest to kind of open up my chest and everything. But peppermint oil is also known for reducing stomach aches, digestive issues, relieves headaches, its antimicrobial properties, clears congestion, it's anti-itch. That's also something that I use for my scalp, putting a little bit of peppermint oil with an oil and massaging it into my scalp. It clears congestion. I don't know if I said that one already. It relieves muscles, it's antiseptic, and it's known for hair growth, okay, because it stimulates those blood vessels in the head. So it also is known for its hair growth properties. Next one is cinnamon oil. Now cinnamon oil is one that I've also have played around with a little bit because it has some great properties for the skin. So I've thrown it into body butters and things of that sort because it helps with circulation and all that. So cinnamon oil is antibacterial. It helps out with rashes and skin irritants. It helps with infections. It decreases inflammation, so that's pretty good for like acne and stuff as well. It relieves depression, it increases circulation, stimulates libido, and it fights free radicals, which is really good. So that's like a good antioxidant, okay? And the last one that I have here is sandalwood oil. And this is an oil that I also have played around with. It's the smell of sandalwood. I like it because I'm really into vanillas and warm scents. But currently I'm just trying to figure out how can I level out the smell of sandalwood, because I don't like the smell of sandalwood like on the skin. I think it's just too woodsy for me. But it's a great antiseptic. It's anti-inflammatory. It's a diuretic. All right, so it's diuretic, it's a sedative, it's anti-spasmodic, it soothes skin, disinfects, lowers blood pressure, and it also helps out with body odor. So I think that will also be a good one to try under the arms. All right, so those are all the healing properties of essential oils that I personally use and I have in my pantry, and I, you know, take them and I throw them underneath my arm, put them into my oil mixes, my body butters, my face oils. I put them into everything and just see what works for me. But yeah, so essential oils are key. Just get a few into your regimen and really see how they work for you. They can really take your skincare a long way, as well as not just your skincare, but your overall being, your overall body. There was something about, I think somebody asked me about, can you like drink essential oils or eat essential oils? I definitely would not recommend that. But when you put something on the skin, and I don't know if I talked about this in another video, or maybe I'll make a video on it if I haven't spoken about it already, but the skin absorbs everything that you put on it. So if you're putting on it chemicals and all that, it's gonna go right into the skin. But if you're putting essential oils and things that kind of benefit the skin and they're natural, that your body absorbs it, but they're not absorbing chemicals, they're absorbing things that are going to help to have antibacterial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, lower the blood pressure, calm you, and, you know, calm the headache and open up your sinuses, and, you know, all of that. So essential oils are not just basic for skincare. They kind of go, for me, a little bit deeper for overall health, overall wealth of health. I just wanted to say that. Don't know why, it just came to me. But overall wealth of health, that is what essential oils are. And that is what the whole natural journey for me is. And it's probably going a little bit deeper than just essential oils in this video, but it's okay. But along the whole journey for me, this is not just skincare, this is not just hair care, this is a whole entire body well-being. From what my scalp absorbs, what my skin absorbs, is going into my system. So this is an overall care for me, not just externally, which is great, but you want to make sure you're taking care of the inside as well as a whole, okay? And I probably got a little bit deep on that one, but the message was meant to be for somebody out there who needed to hear it, so we let it flow here. But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.